To download website data from Hostinger, you typically need to access the file from your website's hosting account. Hostinger provides a user-friendly interface to manage and download your website files. Here's how you can do it. Access Hostinger control panel. Go to Hostinger and log into your Hostinger account. From the dashboard, open the H panel. File Manager. In the H panel, navigate to the File Manager. This is where you can access your website files. Click on File Manager to open the file directory where your website files are stored. Download files. Inside the File Manager, locate the folder where your website files are stored. Select the files or folders you want to download. You can select multiple files by holding down Ctrl or CMD. Right-click on the selected files and choose Download. The files will be downloaded as a zip archive. Database Backup. If you need to download your website's database, you can use phpMyAdmin in HPanel. Go to Databases, phpMyAdmin. Select your database and use the Export option to download a SQL file.